Hi, I'm Karen Williams. Welcome to the Coed Lleol physical activity video. We're going to be training outside today. Benefits of doing that: helps reduce our stress levels, can help increase your quality of sleep, increases our sensory stimulation, being outdoors, and also puts us in contact with the natural world. Beautiful. Alright, for today's session you're going to need a step, okay, some form of bench or a tree. Okay, so we're going to be doing some press-ups, puts it a little bit lower down, and a little bit of space. Okay, so we're going to move around a little bit. So before our circuit, we're going to make sure we're warmed up and prepared for the exercises ahead. Alright, so we're just going to get the joints all moving and make sure the blood is flowing all the way through. Okay, so the first one we're just going to do, we're going to roll the wrists. We've got press-ups in today, so we just want to make sure those wrists are all nice and loose. Get that fluid around the joints, make sure they move really, really well. Okay, and then we'll work our way down. So then we'll go to the shoulders. We're just going to get some shoulder rolls. Just taking them backwards, and then we're going to bring them forwards, get both directions in. Okay, and then we'll take it down to the hips. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're just going to get some little circles, open and close, nice and steady. Please hold on to something if you need to. That's it, and we'll switch, same on to the other side. Open and close, just working through that joint as far as you can. Okay, around this midsection there, so we're going to twist. So we're just going to twist side to side. Get that little rotation. Okay, and then we can make it a little bit more dynamic. So we're going to go into some wood chops. So we're going to go down and across. So hip to shoulder height. Twist. We'll get one more on this side. Okay, and we're going to do the same on the other side. So again, sort of hip to shoulder. Just get that rotation in. Taking it across. Good, one more. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to get the ankle roll. So again, hold on to something if you need to. Just going to make some circles with the feet. Any direction, up and down if you need to. Just make sure those ankle joints are all warmed up. Same on the other side. Get some circles or point and flex, either way. Okay, and then we're just going to lift those knees up and high. Start increasing that heart rate. And we're going to lift those heels up at the back, so we're going to flick. Trying to get those hamstrings going. Wake them up. Okay, and then just a little bit of a stretch. The next one, just take it down and stretch it up. Reach down and stretch up, so nice big arms. So down, cross and stretch, cross and stretch, cross and stretch. Okay, and the last little bit, little jog. Okay, or a march on the spot, nice and quick. Get that heart rate up. Right, make sure we're prepared for that circuit ahead. And breathe. Okay, and so before we start, make sure you got your water at hand, and then we'll go through your circuit. This workout is referred to as an AMRAP, which means as many rounds as possible. We'll follow a sequence of exercises, and we'll aim to repeat that circuit as many times as we can in 15 to 20 minutes. You take your rest breaks whenever you need to within that circuit, and make sure you've got water to hand. Exercise number 1 is going to be a step up. So for this exercise, we're going to first of all lead with one side. Okay, so if you're leading with your left leg, you're going to step up and step down, keeping it nice and steady. Going to complete 10 repetitions, and then we'll switch sides and do the same on the other foot. Okay, so 10 left, 10 right. And exercise number 2 is going to be a knee to elbow. In this version, I'm going to be seated, so just at the edge of a rock, chest up nice and tall, arms are up, and we're just going to rotate as we lift that knee up. And if you can, you're going to reach opposite knee to opposite elbow. A third exercise is going to be a press up. So anything from a tree or a rock as I'm using here. Okay, just angle yourself ever so slightly, lowering yourself down to the object and pushing your hands in to bring yourself back up. Okay, alternative, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, find something a little bit lower down, same thing, try and keep that body in line, okay, and nice and controlled as far as you can go down. Exercise number 4, so a lateral squat walk on this one. So we're going to sit ourselves down into a squat position, and you're going to take a couple of steps left, a couple of steps right. The whole time we're going to try and stay into that squat position. Okay, here it is from the side. Again, looking at pushing through the heels, we want to try and keep those bum muscles working. Nice little step left to right. And a final exercise number 5 is a shuttle run. So a little bit of space, as far as you want, between two objects. So you can have a little jog. Okay, you can make this as fast or slow as you want. And just moving between each one. It could be 2 trees, or just that little bit of area that you've got. Nice and steady on the feet. You can also take this into a very quick walk. And there we go, there's your workout. Complete those exercises for as many rounds as possible in 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to take a rest anytime that you need to through that circuit. Get yourself outside and enjoy.